I would like to introduce our newly product of One Opti Lifestyle International, our pure organic barley powder drink mix. This product is pure organic barley processed using bioactive dehydration from the USA. Color, flavor, taste, texture, and aroma may vary depending on the harvest season, but this does not change the overall quality and potency of the finished products. Organic barley grass powder and distilled glycosides are the main ingredients. So this is the barley. 200 ml yung water pero ginawa na lang natin is mababa sa 200. So let's try our Opti organic barley made from USA. Ay! Ang sarap! Hala ka ma'am, hindi mapakla. Hindi siya mapakla, hindi siya mapait. Ang sarap niya. Pwedeng inumin ng bata. Kasi pag mga mapapait, 'di ba, hindi iniinom ng mga kids.
Masarap.
Ang sarap na.
Akala ko mapakla.
Oo, hindi siya. Mamalo. Tikman mo.
Tikman nyo. Masarap siya. Sige po yan. Sige po yan.
Ang sarap. So actually free taste lang to, hindi pa nilo-launch. Bukas pa ang launch nito. So try nyo na ang organic barley. It's only 915 pesos sa hindi distributor ng company and 600 plus. 600 I don't think so kung anong exact amount niya, but 600 pesos siya pag distributor price. So let's try barley, organic barley. Thank you for watching.